Okay, this is the video for the box project. This, how to draw it on SketchUp. If you want to challenge yourself and not use the video, you have all the information that you need to draw it just on this document that is in modules woodworking. It's got the sizes of everything and all that stuff. Um, but if you want the video, here we go. So I'm just going to start by drawing a side. So those big sides are 4 3/4 wide, so 4.75 on the green, up the blue 5. I'm gonna go up the blue 5, 4 3/4 on green, 5 on blue. All my boards are 3/4 of an inch thick or 0.75. I'll come back later and put the holes in. Okay, I'm gonna orbit, go from over here. Now I need to draw one of these sides. They are 3.5 wide, 3.5. I'm actually going to draw the bottom and then pull it up. So I'm going to go on the green, 0.75, back to the red, push, pull, up, 5. I'm going to orbit again so I can kind of see it from this angle. I'm going to actually put the bottom piece in. I'm just kind of thinking through this and I feel like that would be easier. So that bottom piece is 3.5 by 3 1/4. So I'm going to come from there along the green 3 1/4 or 3.25, 3.5 on the red, push pull. I said all my boards were 0.75 thick, 3/4 thick. Okay. Now I'm going to draw the bottom of this board. So 3.5, 0.75 on green, pull that up 5. I'm going to draw the bottom of this last board. Start there, come out on red, 0.75, over on green, 4.75, close the shape, pull that up 5. So there's my main box. Still got to do the lid and put where the holes go, but the box is looking good. All right, let's do the lid. The lid is 5 by 4 3/4, just like the other pieces. Oops. Trying to think how I want to draw my lid. I don't want to put it on the box, I don't think, because I want to be able to see the detail of the box. I think I'm just going to draw it just kind of over here beside the box, and I'm going to draw it upside down. So I'm just going to start on this corner. Just you can start anywhere, just randomly. I'm going to come over 2 inches just to get some spacing. So I'm going to go on green, 4.75, over on red, 5, back down on green, 4.75, close the shape, erase that line, push pull up 0.75, and then I need to put the little piece in the middle of it. So basically I just need to come in 0.75 along one edge, find the end point, take it across. Then I'm going to start a new line along that line, come in 0.75, take it across, erase that line. I'm going to come in, I'm just coming in 0.75 from each edge, basically, and making a line there. And then I'm going to erase, oops, zoom in on that. Erase, 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 and push pull that up 0.75. All right, you might want to do your lid differently, but I kind of like it like just sitting next to it. That's 2 different pieces. All right, now I need to do hole locations. Basically all my holes I think, are an inch, either an inch from an edge or 3/8 from an edge. Those are inch. So that's simple enough. And then I'm going to draw them like counter bores, because that's how I see them. So just kind of orbit, find a good area to work from. I'm going to start in this corner, come in 1, find the end point in 1. Make sure I'm on where I want to be here. Same thing here, in 1, find the end point in 1. I'm going to go circle tool. That's the same as rectangle. Change it. Click. My counter bores are 5/16 diameter. So SketchUp asks for your radius. Radius is half of diameter. To double, or to take half of a fraction, you just double the denominator. So I'm going to type 5/32. Come out 5/32. Grab my eraser, clean up the construction lines. Okay, let me work on this face a little bit. I'm going to come up 1, find the end point in 3/8. Escape to let go of the pencil, start a new line, down 1, in 3/8, escape, start a new line, down 1, in 3/8, escape, new line, up 1, in 3/8, enter. Now circle tool, radius 5/32, circle tool, radius 5/32, repeat, grab your eraser, clean it up. Okay, rotate. I'm going to do the exact same thing, or orbit, I'm sorry. Do the same thing on this side. In 1, over 3/8, escape. Repeat that 3 times. Circle tool, out, radius 5/32. Repeat 3 times. Eraser and clean it up. Almost done. Rotate, orbit this side. I'm going to start here in 1, up the blue 3/8, escape, same thing from here. Circle tool, radius 5/32. Repeat. Grab your eraser, clean it up, and orbit. Same thing over here. In 1, up 3/8, escape. In 1, oops, up 3/8, circle, radius 5, 30 seconds. Grab your eraser, clean it up. All right, optional step. If you want to paint bucket everything as wood, you can. I'm not going to. All right, take a screenshot of this, put it in your folder, raise your hand, show me that it is in your folder.